We are going to see the answers of 10th standard chapter algebra exercise number 3.1 first sum. So what is for first sum is given that the linear equation with three variables are given. So we are asked to find out the value of x, y and z. So there are three equations. We have x plus y plus z is equal to 5, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9 and x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. So with these three equations, we are going to find out the value of x, y and z. For that, what we have to do, here we have all three variables. So we have to make use of any two equation and we have to eliminate one variable. Either we can take 1 and 2, you have to eliminate one variable, or 2 and 3 or 1 and 3. Two per set of pairs we are going to take and eliminate the same variable from the first set as well as from the second set. In this problem, I am going to take the equation number 1 and 2. From the equation number 1 and 2, I am going to eliminate the variable y. Consider the equation 1 and 2, eliminate y. Why I am going to eliminate y? Because we have in the first equation plus y and the second equation minus y. So directly we can eliminate y value. Therefore, I have taken first and the second equation. So x plus y plus z is equal to 5 and 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. In this, since we have plus y and minus y, so we can eliminate. When we add these two equations, automatically the value of the variable y will be eliminated. So we have, I am going to add equation number 1 and 2. Therefore, what I will get over here, I will get 2x plus 1x is 3x and plus y and minus y gets cancelled. We will get 0. Therefore, it is eliminated and z plus z will get 2z is equal to add the constant also. 9 plus 5 is 14. So consider this equation as 4. Now this equation becomes with two variables x and y. Same way we have to take another pair of equation. In that also we have to eliminate y. So what we have eliminated, the same variable to be eliminated from the next pair also. So what I am going to take, either I can take second and third as well as I can take 1 and 3. I have taken in this problem equation number 1 and 3 because we have minus here, here we have plus. So while we are adding, we'll get that variable can be get cancelled. So in the third equation, since I have the coefficient as 2, but in equation number 1 I have the coefficient as 1. So I have to equate those two. When I am going to equate those two, both the coefficient must be equal. So for that, I am going to multiply equation number 1 into 2. So see how I am going to do it. 2x, when I am multiplying first equation into 2, I will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 10. Both the sides we have to multiply. Then directly without any change I am going to take the third equation. Third equation is nothing but x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Now add these two equations. While I am adding, I have to add the coefficient. Here 2, here 1. So what will I get over here? 3x. Now here plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. That is 0. Therefore that variable is eliminated. Here we have 2 and 3. So I will get 5z is equal to 10 plus 16 is 26. So I got fourth equation and the fifth equation with two variables x and z and x and z. So making use of the fourth and fifth equation, we will get the value of x as well as z. After getting the value of x and z, that can be substituted in first three equation, any one of the equation, and we'll get the value of y. Come how to see how to get the value of x over here now. Now take the equation 4 and 5. Fourth equation is nothing but 3x plus 2z is equal to 14. And the fifth equation is nothing but 3x plus 5z is equal to 26. Now these two equations, I have the coefficients are same. Here also I have 3 and here also I have 3. So therefore automatically we can eliminate x. But only one thing what you have to do, we should not be, this cannot be added. If I add, what will I get? I will get 6. So instead of adding, what to be done? We have to subtract these two equations. So for subtracting these two equations, change the sign of the second equation. So here we have plus, make it as minus. Here we have plus, make it as minus, and change it as minus. Here we have plus, change it as minus. So now you have to add. So what we are doing, what will be happened here? Plus minus 3x and minus 3x gets cancelled. That is, will get 0. That the x variable is eliminated. So what will be the remaining over here? Minus 5 and plus 2, that becomes minus 3z is equal to, here also different sign. So subtracted, from which to be subtracted? From 26 to be subtracted. 26 minus 14 is nothing but 12, and write the greater number sign. So here, so 26 is greater number, so it has minus sign. That minus sign to be assigned over here. Same way, similarly here also. Here also we have different sign, plus and minus. So subtract 2 from 5 and write the greater number sign. So what we have over here? Minus 3z is equal to minus 12. So now we have to get the value of z. These two are in multiplication. Therefore minus 3, when it goes to the other side, it becomes the division. So z is equal to minus 12 by minus 3. So therefore minus and minus gets cancelled. It becomes positive. So 12 divided by 3 is nothing but 4. Therefore the value of z is equal to 4. So among these three variable, we got the value of z is 4. Now what you have to do? Substitute this z in either in the fourth equation or in the fifth equation, because only we have in those two equations we have two variables. Therefore either 4 you can substitute or fifth one. Now what I am going to do? I am going to substitute in the equation number 4. Substitute z is equal to 4 in equation number 4. So 3x plus 2z is equal to 14. 3x plus 2z is nothing but 4. So 2 into 4 is equal to 14. 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. Multiply these two. 2 4s are 8. Therefore 3x is equal to 14 minus 8. That is nothing but 3x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 3. That 3 to be taken to the other side. Therefore it becomes division. Therefore 6 divided by 3 is nothing but 2. So we got the value of z as well as x is nothing but 2 and z is nothing but 4. So now we have to see to the third variable. What is the third variable we have? That is nothing but y to be found out. See how to find out the value of y. Y is nothing but, we have to substitute this x is equal to 2 and that is z is equal to 4 in equation number 1. Either in 1 or 2 or 3. Anywhere you can substitute. I have taken the equation number 1. X plus y plus z is equal to 5. This is easy equation because everywhere we have 1, 1, 1. So easily we can substitute and find out the value. X is nothing but 2. Y you write as it is because we are going to find the value of y, and z we got it as 4 is equal to 5. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Y plus 6 is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5. This when it goes to the other side, when this 6 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 6. Therefore we will get y is equal to, both the signs are different. So subtract from 6, 5. Therefore we will get 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore the value of x is 2 and the value of y is minus 1 and the value of z is 4. Now you substitute all these values in first equation and see whether you are getting the answer. What is x? X is 2. What is y? Minus 1. Z is 4. So add 2 and 4, you will get 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So all these three, when you substitute in the equation number, it is verified. Therefore, in this problem, the value of x is nothing but 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 4. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.